Okay.
Okay, we'll start the session. Yesterday, in the previous session, we have created this group. Group is nothing but a company in SAP. We call it as a company. Maximum 6-digit character ID we can create. So we are giving some name Tata CO, that is Tata Group of Companies. This we have created. First step was over. Now, next step we are going to create a company code. Company code is individual company. Under that group, we can create a company code. So this we are creating one company code. We click on back arrow. This is edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay. Here you can copy the company code by 1000 company code. 1000 company code is SAP defined company code. Right? So in this company code we are having some GL accounts also. You want to copy all the information whatever we have maintained for this company code, you can copy. Right? So we are copying and creating. So click on copy, delete, check company code. Normally this company code creation was Java FI consultant. Not as MM consultant, we are not creating any company code. This is Java FI consultant. There is a reason I am copying the company code and I am creating another company code. So when we are copying, you can go to this menu, go to copy organization object. Click on copy organization object in the menu. Organization object. Click on copy organization object. So 1000 is a SAP different company code. You can copy all the default settings from 1000 also. So it is taking some time to read all the tables. You can observe 17% of associated tables.
Mm-hmm.
From where you want to copy, from which company code you want to copy. You can copy 1000 also. 1000 is SAP defined. If you click on that button F4, that is function 4. So there are different company codes are available. So you can copy from any company code. So here I am using, instead of using 1000, 1000 is SAP defined. So I'm having my own company codes. So I will follow this company code. 3301 is my company code. So which I have created in FIC. You can copy 0001, not a problem. So for this, all the GL accounts which you have created, all the settings were copying, and two company code. Two company code is as per our material. This name you can give maximum 4-digit character ID, which may be numeric or alphanumeric. So here, as per our material, TAST, I am giving TAST. Just give some name TAST. TAST. It may be numeric or alphanumeric. I am giving some TAS. This is the name you are giving your company code. Company code is an individual legal entity in SAP. Click on enter. So it is copying. It is asking you. You want to copy the GL account company code data also. No problem. You can click on it. You can copy all the GL accounts. Okay. You can click on it. Just click on it. You want to copy the location different local currency to target company code, because all those GL accounts are maintained in INR. So same in this company code also you want to maintain in INR. That is question it is asking. Say no problem. Click on it. Currency you can give INR. Enter. Certain data was not copied. No problem. Just click on enter. Enter. What are the basic settings you want to really want to transport the number ranges? This number ranges also it is asking. You can click on it, no problem. Number ranges is nothing but in SAP the document is saving in some numbers. So that number ranges we have to maintain for each company code. How to maintain we will see later. So all those data information, the basic settings which we have configured for that 3301 company code which was defined by FI consultant. So we are copying and we are creating, because this is not our job as MM consultant. We are not creating any company code. There is a reason I am copying all those settings from other company code. No need to learn all those settings which actually a job of FICO consultant. The total data, the basic settings required for company code all are copied to our company code. We are creating here a company code by copying from other company code data. We are creating TAST as our company code. So all are copied. MM settings for T. Tata 0. In this customization only, everything we are going to see. Click on enter. Just click on enter, click on enter. Just continue. Right? So after this, you can change your description, name and address. You want to, you can change. So where you can change, we will go back. Just click on back arrow. Here edit company code data. Go to your position button. TAST. Position is nothing but find button. Out of 184, 198 company codes, we are finding your company code. This is TAST. Go to details, because we have copied the name also copying. So here we will change the name Tata Steel. Tata Steel Limited. So you want to change the cities, you can change, no problem. I'm keeping as it is. Save. Want to change the address, you can change. Where it was located, that you can maintain the information. Because we have copied from other company code all the details, so you have to change the name of this company code. Company code is an individual organization unit in FI module. It's a legal identity. It's a legal identity. Right? This is company code. This one is over. Next step. Here what we are maintaining is, we are maintaining the information at what level you want to validate all your materials. In this step what we are maintaining is, we are having different materials. It may be finished goods, it may be raw materials, it may be semi-finished goods. So there are two different options are there. Okay, so this valuation area is at plant level or at company code level. That we are going to maintain the information here. This is at client level single time setting. This is a path. You can go to the path. This is under logistics general defined valuation level. Click on back arrow. Go to the path. This is definition only. Minimize. You can expand like this. Minimize like this. This is logistics general. You can expand. Define valuation level. Click on execute. This button you have to execute. You can observe. By default, valuation level, valuation area is at plant only, already defined. Just observe whether it is there or not. So we are maintaining. If PP module is implementing, then always because in PP module we will create a plant. Always the valuation area is plant only. You can observe this is at client level single time setting. So just observe whether your valuation area is plant or not, selected as plant or not. Just observation only. This is one thing. Next one, we are going to define a plant. We can define n number of plants. Okay. Here you can define a plant. You can define n number of plants. As per your client requirement, you can define different plants. Okay. So this is IMG interface structure definition logistics general define copy delete check. This is a path. Now we will go back. Same path. Next step define copy delete check plant. You have to click on this IMG activity. Click on IMG activity. Click on define plans. Click on define plans. And there are different plans are there. So out of this, so you can also copy all organizational objects into document. First we will create a new plant. So we are creating new plant. Or otherwise you can copy also. Right? Any way you can do. I am going to new entries. Click on new entries. As per our material, I will give the plant name STP1. 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 Okay. So here I will give some name Hyderabad plant for ST. Hyderabad plant for TAST. This is our company code name. STP1 is a plant. In the description we will maintain. This is Hyderabad plant for Tata Steel. TAST is your company code name. So here you can maintain the country code. Country code is IN India. You can click on F4 and select. SAP has given different codes. Okay. As this is not a required field, even not required. City code is also not required. Factory calendar you can enter. Click on F4. I am selecting 01. 01 is a factory calendar, which is SAP defined. This factory calendar will determine what is your working days, what is your holidays. So this is also SAP defined. We are using save. If you click on save now, here it will ask you country. IN India is a required field. Out of all the information you want to maintain, you can maintain total information, where it was located, what is the address, what is the plant, city, and everything. So out of all the fields, only country is the required field. So click on select the country IN India, click on enter and save. What happened? We have created a plant here. One plant we have created in SAP. That your plant ID is STPM. Plant ID is STP1. This is how to create a new entries. Right? So another option is also there, that is copy delete check plant. Here there is option like copy organizational object, just like how we have copied from one company code to another company code. Here also you can copy one plant to another plant. All the data relating to one plant to another plant you can copy by going to organizational object, copy organizational object. This is another option how we can use. Here also we can copy. One I have maintained individually by going to new entries. Another one I am copying and I am creating. Two plants I am going to create here. There are two ways of creating plants. One is going for new entries. Another one is copying from SAP different plant. You can copy from 1000 plant. I will create again another one STP2. First one is STP1, next one is STP2. New plant I am creating by copying from 1000 plant. 1000 plant is SAP different plant. This is another way of creating. Click on enter, click on enter, click on S. Click on enter. Okay. Total we have copied. If you want to change this description, you can go to STP2. This is our plant name. Here the plant name you can change. This you can maintain as Chennai plant Tata ST TAST. Chennai plant TAST. One is Hyderabad plant, another one is Chennai plant. Two plants we have created. One is STP1, another one is STP2. Okay. Now in the next step, what we are doing is we are maintaining the storage location. Storage location. Storage location is nothing but where you can store the materials. In SAP we are maintaining. So you can maintain storage location, different storage locations for different types of materials. For raw materials, one storage location. For semi-finished goods, one storage location. For finished goods, another storage location. You can give differently. You can give either number or name, 4-digit character ID. It may be numeric or alphanumeric. Right? Up to now, what we have done, I will just show you in Excel. Up to now, what we have done, we have created up to now what we have done, we have created company. Right? What is your company name? Company name is Tata CO. Next, what we have done, we have created company code. Your company code is Tata TAST. Next one, you have maintained a valuation area. Valuation area you have maintained as at plant level. Next one is you have created a plants. Create plants. One plant is STP1, another plant is STP2. Two plants you have created. Okay. Now what we are doing? Now we are creating storage location. Storage location where you can store your materials. Right? Now we are creating a storage location where you can store materials. Now we'll go for creation of storage location. Now this creation of storage location is, you can go to the path. This is in MM, so only MM consultant will create storage locations. Go to IMG. Right? Up to this is over. Now we'll go back in the enterprise structure only in the definition. This is MM path. MM. Expand this MM. Maintain storage location. Click on execute. Maintain storage location. For which plant you want to maintain the storage location? The system will ask you. For each plant you can maintain different storage location. So we have created one plant. Our plant is STP1. We have created one plant. Our plant is STP1. Okay. Our plant is STP1. Click on enter. Click on new entries. Storage location we are giving. So as per our material, you can enter 0001 is for raw materials, 0002 is for semi-finished goods, 0003 is for finished goods. Okay. Now I will enter 0001, which is for raw materials, storage location, 0002 semi-finished goods, or you can directly enter SFG 0002 3 finished goods. Like this, three different storage locations we are maintaining for our plant. 0001, 0002, 0003. So plant wise we are maintaining. So storage location is 0001, 0002, 0003, which is for STP1, right? Which is for STP1. Same way, we will create all these storage location for another plant also. This plant is STP2. We are having two different plants. We can use the same storage locations for these two different plants. Now we are going for this, we are saving. Next one, we will go back and again maintain storage location. This plant is STP2. STP2. Click on enter. STP2. Click on enter. As we have copied this STP2 from SAP defined plant, there are many storage locations are there. You can observe all these storage locations are copied. Now what I will do is, you can select all here. This is select all button. I'm just deselecting first three, 0001, 0002, 0003, and I'm deleting all, not required, because we have copied from SAP defined. This plant you have copied from SAP defined. So all those storage locations which are there in your SAP defined, it is coming. So just keeping only first three, that is 0001, 0002, 0003. Remaining all we are deleting and click on save. I need only these three storage locations. This is creating a storage location for your plants. Right? This is one step. This is purely MM consultant role. In the next step, what we are doing is, we are creating a purchase organization. So this purchase organization is also purely an MM consultant job. It is an organizational unit in MM module at which level you can purchase all your materials. So this purchase organization is used to purchase material. So you can maintain purchase organizations. Your purchase organization can be same as plant and also your company code. You can give different names, or you can use the same name for your plant as purchase organization you can use, or different name also you can use, as you wish, depends on your requirement. You can create different purchase organizations for different purpose. So I am using different names. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 purchase organization like this you can use, and also company code also you can use. Here I am creating different purchase organization. I am not following that material. Click on maintain purchase organization. Click on new entries. Here I will give STHY. I will give STHY. Hyderabad purchase organization for TAST. Your company code is TAST. I am creating one Hyderabad purchase organization for TAST. Same way I will create STCH. Chennai purchase organization. Chennai purchase organization. Right? Purchase organization. TAST. Chennai purchase organization. TAST. Click on save. Hyderabad purchase organization and Chennai purchase organization. Like this, you can create n number of purchase organizations. I am creating only 2 here. What we are doing, we are just creating purchase organization here. Purchase organization. This we are creating. Okay. So in this purchase organization, STHY is one purchase organization, STCH is another purchase organization. These two purchase organizations we are creating here. Right? These two we are creating. Then click on save. Right? Only two is enough. Now I am created purchase organization. So after that we will maintain controlling area. So what is this controlling area? So this controlling area is also an FICO organizational unit. For internal reporting purpose, we will create this controlling area. Controlling area is an organizational unit in FICO module. So this just like a company code. At company code level, you will maintain all your financial statements. At company code level, you will maintain all your financial statements. At controlling area level, you will do all the internal analysis. It is used to maintain all the internal analysis. The controlling area is different, company code is different. So both these are related to FICO organization structure only. So what will be actual organization structure? So in FICO, the highest level is company. This is nothing but a group. Company is nothing but a group. Under this company, individual company code are there. You can create a number of company codes. This is another organizational unit. So these company codes are linked to your controlling area. We are assigning this company code to controlling area. So this at company code level, we are doing all profit and loss account and balance sheet. At this controlling area level, you will do all the internal analysis. So one company code, more than one company code also you can assign to single controlling area. This is a different concept. This is purely, is it? What about others? Mother, are you able to hear me? Can't hear. Mother, are you able to hear me? How to create a controlling area we are seeing. Just go through the path. Purchase organizations we have created. Now we are maintaining. Define controlling. Maintain controlling area. Click on maintain controlling area. Click on maintain controlling area. Click on new entries. This is one way how you can create. Another option is also there. Now if you go back, I will show you another path is also there. There you can assign at a time. Instead of enterprise structure, you go to controlling path. This is a path. Controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. Click on maintain controlling area. Here assignment is also possible. At a time you can assign. Click on new entries. This controlling area I am creating the same name TAST, which is your company code. If you want, you can give the different name also. Maximum is 4-digit character ID, which may be numeric or alphanumeric. I am giving the same name, whatever the company code name we are following. In the description, you can maintain controlling area TAST, Tata Steel controlling area TAST. So this controlling area company code assignment, we are selecting controlling area same as company code. If your company code and controlling area is only one company code is there and that we are using for only one controlling area, then we will use this controlling area same as company code. So if you want to use multiple company codes for a single controlling area, Then you have to assign this class company code. Normally this we are not doing. I am just creating only one is SAP has given currency type 10 number 10 which is company code currency. If you select this company code currency by default from the latest company code all these are coming you can observe. So this is not our chart of accounts. Because we have not created our chart of accounts, we have copied your company code from 3301. This chart of account is also copying. So all these are basic settings for your company code, which an FA consultant we will do. No need to bother anything. We'll just follow this cost center standard hierarchy. So we are giving some name CCTF TAST. Maximum is 10-digit character ID, which may be numeric or alphanumeric. What is this cost center standard hierarchy? Cost center is nothing but a department. In controlling module, in FICO module, the FICO consultant will create these cost centers. For each department, one cost center. Admin department, one cost center. Production department, another cost center. Canteen department, another cost center. Like that, the FICO consultant will create different departments. So for this here, just giving some name. Standard hierarchy is nothing but group of cost centers. What are the cost centers the FSCO consultant is going to create? All those individual cost centers will be saved under this group only. This is at highest level, head of all your cost centers. This is cost center standard hierarchy. We can give 10-digit character ID, which may be numeric or alphanumeric. Normally, this we are not creating as a MM consultant. This is FSCO consultant job. Just give some name and save. So when we are saving, it is asking this cost center standard hierarchy. Earlier it was not created. You want to create and save. Yes, click on create and save. Because to maintain controlling area, this is the required field. Save data was saved. Now this controlling area, we are assigning to your company code. Click on assignment. Click on new entries. Your company code is TAST. This you can also click on F4. This is the F4 button. There you will find TAST. Then save. You have created a company code that you have given a link between this company code and controlling area. So in this controlling area, there are different components are there. What an FICO consultant can analyze. So these are not relevant for us, but is a mandatory step in order to post document in FICO. If there is any financial impact is there, what are the transactions we are posting in MM module? For that, in the basic organization structures, all these we need to ensure. But in project, we are not doing. So this will allow you component tag 2 to analyze the departmental expenditures. If you select this one, it will allow you to analyze the activity cost at your department level. It may be labor activity, it may be machine activity, it may be cleaning activity. Order management. In controlling, the values are coming from different orders. That may be a production order, that may be service order, that may be process order, engineering order. So all those orders values we are going to analyze. So for that purpose, you need to select component tag. This commitment management is so open item purchase orders open. If the purchase orders are there, still you are not paid money, so that will display separately. This is profitability analysis field. This field we can't change here. This is in suppressed mode only. In COPA in FICO module there is a separate concept like controlling profitability analysis. There that guy will change. Not required now. So all these are not required. Just whatever required only we are selecting. So all these are required. Projects. If you select projects, we can the FICO consultant can analyze the cost for all your projects. If you select sales order, the FICO consultant will allow to analyze the sales order expenditure, sales order level values. This commitment management is with reference to sales order and cost objects, whatever the expenditure where an FICO consultant wants to analyze everything is in cost object. A cost center may be a cost center, cost object. An internal order may be a cost object. A profit center may be a cost object. Where you can identify the cost, that we call it as a cost object in controlling module. Where we can identify the cost. At which level your client wants to analyze the cost, that we call it as a cost object in controlling module. So this real estate management, this is separate module is there in SAP, flexible real estate management. If your client is also implementing, if it is a real estate company, if your client is implementing this real estate module also, then you have to select, otherwise not required. So all currencies. So in controlling, total analysis is happening. We can analyze in different currency, not only in company code currency. If you are paying in different currency, in all currencies also we can analyze. So variances. So difference between planned values and actual values we can analyze by selecting these variances. So all these are required fields when we are maintaining the controlling area. Normally this controlling area as a MM consultant we are not maintaining. So FACO consultant will maintain and we are using. In this step, we are just activating the components and we are assigning this company code to controlling area. Okay? So there is another option, assignment is also there. We need to assign this company code to company. We have created a company code and we have created a company. In the beginning, we have created a company code. Our company code is TAST. Our company is Tata CO. Company is a group. In SAP, we call it as a group of companies. In SAP, we call it as a company. Outside individual company, in SAP, we call it as a company code. So these two are different organization units. There is no relation up to now. We have to maintain. We have to instruct to SAP system that this company code belongs to this company. That step we are doing here in the assignment. First we are assigning company code to company. This is the step we are doing. So where you can do, we'll go back to the path in the enterprise structure only. There is one option is there. Assignment, financial accounting, company code, both are related to FI module only. This is also we are not doing as a FACO consultant, as an MM consultant. FACO consultant we will do. So go to position button, find your company code. Your company code is TAST. Position is nothing but a find button out of 198 company codes. You can observe TAST is the company code, your company code. This is Tata Steel Limited. So against this company code, company name is blank. Here you can enter Tata CO. If you don't remember your company code, then you can click on F4 function. F4 in your keyboard. There are different company codes are there. Out of this you can select. If you created only, it will display here. Otherwise, it will not display. Okay. Scroll down.
Sorry, Upendra.
Yeah. Need out?
Yes,
Yeah, tell me.
go ahead.
This is Tata CO. Company, we have assigned. This is a link between your company and company code. Like this, under one company, you can create n number of company codes. Under one company, you can create n number of company codes. Okay. This is TAST. Company is Tata CO. This company and company code assignment. This step is over. Now, this company code also you have to assign to your plant. Right? Company code. We are having two plants, STP1 and STP2. STP1 and STP2. These company codes you have to assign to your plant. So STP1, this STP1 and your TAST, this STP2 TAST. This is nothing but assignment. You are linking your plant to your company code. Now in this step we are assigning assignment, assign plant to company code. Now we will go to the path. In the assignment, back arrow, in the logistics general, assign plant to company code. Click on assignment. Okay. Click on assignment. So here you have to enter in new entries. Click on new entries. TAST, plant is STP1. Same TAST, plant is STP2. Right? So one more thing is, so this is also 1:1 relation. You can't assign here. This is STP2 is already assigned to company code 1000. Here, one plant you can't assign to multiple company codes. Because we have copied this STP2 from 1000 plant. So this is already there. Now I will go back. This one I am saving because I have copied. You can observe for 1000 plant, go to position button. Your plant is STP2 will be there. STP2 is there for your 1000 plant. So this is already there for 1000 company code. Again, you can't assign this plant to another company code. This plant and company code relation is 1:1. Plant and company code relation is 1:1. Because it is already there, you can't assign. Right? So because you have copied this plant from your 1000 company code, this is displaying as already there. Right? So you want to change this one? You can change by going to, first we will delete, if possible we will delete it. Normally this deletion for 1000 plant, STP2 is there. STP2 is your plant. Select this one. Select this one. Click on delete. For valuation in SP, valuation code has been defined. Delete anyway. Click on S. Later we will go for new entries. Company code TAST. This one is. If anything we have deleted, sometimes it will not error. This is already assigned, so it is not displayed. So after deletion, try to save it. Sometimes it is showing, it will display as it is deleted. STP2 is marked for deletion. Sometimes you will get a message marked for deletion. Now it was successfully saved, you can observe. Previous 1000 company code we have deleted and we have assigned to this TAST. TAST is the company code. So like these two company codes, we have, and these two plans are assigned to your company code. You can't assign the same plant to more than one company code. One condition is you can't assign the same plant to more than one company code. This is assignment.
So Upendra,
Yeah.
so you can't assign the plant to the Tata code.
That is group now.
Put it at the company.
No, not required.
Yes.
At a group level, no use.
Okay.
There is no option also available.
Okay.
So we are not posting
Okay.
anything at group level. Group is only for reporting purpose.
Okay.
You are not posting. You are not preparing any statements. You are not calculating anything at group level. Group is at reporting.
Okay. Okay.
Everything you are purchasing material, you are creating materials,